everyone. Welcome to English with Ali.
Hi, we are Emma and Alex.
Today we talk about different types of questions in English.
Yes, many learners know words, but they feel shy when they ask questions.
So today we learn simple ways to ask questions.
We look at questions with to be, do and does, and WH questions.
And we also talk about who and how many.
If you like simple English lessons, please subscribe to the channel.
And share this video with a friend who is learning English. Let's start with the verb to be.
The verb to be is am, is, and are.
To make a question, we put the verb before the subject.
Listen to this sentence. She is a teacher.
Now we make a question. Is she a teacher?
Here are more examples. Are you ready? Is he your friend? Are they students?
Let's ask about a person. Is Alex a teacher?
Yes, he is a teacher.
Good example.
Now we talk about do and does.
We use do and does when the main verb is not to be.
The structure is simple. Do or does, plus subject, plus verb.
Example sentence. You work here.
Now the question, do you work here?
Another example. She lives in London.
Question, does she live in London?
Remember a simple rule. We use does with he, she, and it.
Let's try some questions. Does he play football? Does she study English?
Yes, she studies English.
Now let's look at WH questions.
We use WH questions to get information.
Some common WH words are what, where, when, why, who, how.
Example. Where do you live?
I live in Madrid.
Another one. What do you do?
I work in a school.
Let's ask about another person. Where does Emma work?
She works in a language school.
Now we talk about who.
Sometimes who is the subject of the sentence.
When this happens, we do not use do or does.
Example, someone calls you. Question, who calls you?
Another example. Someone helps the students. Question. Who helps the students?
The answer can be Emma helps the students.
Now let's learn how many.
We use how many to ask about number.
We use it with plural nouns.
Example, how many books do you have?
I have 5 books. Another example.
How many languages does she speak? She speaks 3 languages.
Let's review quickly.
Questions with to be. Are you ready? Is he your friend?
Questions with do and does. Do you work here? Does she live here?
WH questions. Where do you live? What does he do?
Special case with who helps you?
And how many books do you read?
Great job today.
Questions help you start conversations in English.
Practice these questions today with a friend.
And if you enjoy learning with us,
Please subscribe to English with Ali.
and share this video with other learners.
See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.